anders. Toch?
Solo, no mojo, I bounce back, no pogo, unhappy, no promo, new brands, no logos. Quiet on the set, please. Rolling anxiety in 3, 2, anxiety. Keep on trying me, I feel it quietly, trying to silence me. Yeah, my anxiety can shake it off of me. Somebody's watching me, and my anxiety is it's my anxiety. I feel anxiety. It's my anxiety. It's my anxiety. It's my anxiety. It's like I get this tightness in my chest, like the roof is standing on me, and I just let it take it over. Anxiety.